this is Eric from Jameson Shaw for Tips and Tricks Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about something really important here at Jameson Shaw. We're going to talk about our French cutting angles. Now we have three basic angles. We have exterior, we have interior, and we have mesh and mesh. And really that means respectively layering, square layering, and graduation. So in a French hair cutting, we hold our scissors and our comb in the same hand, and we do that more so efficiency because instead of transferring from this and wasting time, we just do it all in one hand and use our other hand to help grab our section. Okay, so let's actually show you the actual angles. Let's start with exterior. Exterior is your traditional layering angle. So when we do our exterior angle, we're gonna pinch, prepare, comb, and we're not going to cut Amanda's hair, of course, but we would cut it like this, and this would go from short to long, and it would make our layers exit the head. So the next angle would be mesh layers. Let's do it again. And prepare, comb, cut again. We're not going to cut. And this right here would be more square. And we see that a lot in men's haircuts, or sometimes in a short haircut where they want a lot of volume on top. Our last angle would be interior, which would be graduation or stacking. So let's turn our model Amanda here around, just so you can just visualize it with us. It's gonna pin, prepare, comb, right here. And this would be from long to short. And what this would do, this would pretty much hug her head right here, and it would have a nice bob shape or something more stacked like that. So if you're a little bit more advanced, you can go into more reverse exterior. Now reverse exterior, what we would do differently about this, where we're always behind our client, we're gonna walk around and be in front of our client from this. For reverse exterior, it's gonna be from short to long, but a much more faster layering. So here we're gonna take this and go straight down to the head and cut that right there. And that way, instead of it being regular exterior, it's gonna be a lot more quicker and steep layers. And with any combination of these layers, you can form any haircut possible. All right, this is Eric from Jameson Shaw. Thanks for joining us, and we hope to see you next week. Bye.
Hi, Candy Shaw, the Bali Llama here. Hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to reach out to us on Facebook, Instagram, or go to sunlightsbalayage.com to learn more about our classes. But don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'll get notifications of all the fresh new ideas, tips, and tricks that we release every week. Thanks for tuning in. See you out there.